Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt like your hair is wearing you instead of you wearing your hair? It is as if a rigid, lifeless helmet has been placed on your head, erasing every bit of the vibrant woman you still are inside. Many of you feel invisible, as if your beauty has reached an expiration date that no one told you about. Now stop everything and listen to this. The secret enemy is not your age, but the blunt, heavy perimeter that is dragging your jawline down and making you look a decade older than you actually are. This is the invisible weight of a dated cut that no one has the courage to point out. Wait, what I am about to say will change your morning routine forever. I am going to show you how a simple shift in texture can perform a non-surgical facelift and give you the movement you thought you lost forever. You do not need a miracle, you need the right geometry. For 30 years in Manhattan, I have watched women walk into my salon feeling defeated by their own reflection. They think their hair is the problem, but it's actually the technique being used on them. Please look closely at what I am describing. You are not losing your beauty, you are simply trapped behind a style that is too stiff for your spirit. I have spent decades refining the art of the visual lift, and today I am pulling back the curtain for you. Believe me, the truth is simpler than you think. You deserve to walk into a room and feel the air change because of your presence, not because of a haircut that looks like a relic of the past. Stop settling for a look that does not honor your spirit. We are going to break the cycle of the helmet hair right now. I will guide you through the transformation you have been waiting for. It is time to reclaim your elegance and your confidence. We are starting a new chapter where you are the masterpiece and your hair is your most powerful accessory. Let us look at why that helmet shape is actually a betrayal of your natural beauty. When we are young, the face has what I call the triangle of youth, where the volume is high at the cheekbones and tapers down to a sharp jawline. But as time passes, gravity and the loss of collagen pull our features downward. This is where your hair must become your architect. Most stylists are still cutting your hair as if you were 20 years old, using heavy, blunt lines that create a horizontal shelf. Now stop everything and listen to this. That horizontal line acts like a giant neon sign pointing directly at the sagging skin of the neck and the softening of the jaw. It is a visual anchor that keeps your face stuck in a downward spiral. When your hair is cut too solid and too round, it mimics the shape of a helmet, which offers zero movement and zero life. Wait, what I am about to say will change your morning routine forever. The problem is not that your hair is thinning or changing texture, but that the weight is distributed in all the wrong places. A blunt cut on a woman over 60 creates a boxy silhouette that makes the head look larger and the body look shorter. It's a total collapse of visual geometry. Stop right there and look at your reflection. Do you see how the hair near your ears is bulging outward? That width at the sides of your head is making your face appear wider and your eyes appear tired. This is the classic mistake of the suburban salon, where they think layers mean just chopping into the top. Listen closely because this is where most stylists fail you. They leave the perimeter too thick, creating a hard edge that doesn't blend with your skin. This hard edge creates a shadow on your face that emphasizes every fine line and every wrinkle. You are essentially framing your face with a heavy, dark bracket that says you have given up. Do not ignore the power of a single angle. If the hair at the back is longer than the hair at the front, you are creating a visual slide that pulls the eye of the observer down toward the floor. We want to draw the eye upward toward your brow and your cheekbones. Take a deep breath and hear this truth. Your hair has become a static object, a stiff cap that does not dance when you turn your head. Real hair should have internal space, allowing air to pass through the strands. This is the moment you stop being a victim of your haircut. When there is no internal elevation, the hair lies flat against the scalp, exposing the very thinning areas you are trying to hide. The helmet look is a result of fear, the fear of losing density, so you keep it all one length. But that density is actually your enemy when it is not sculpted. I am about to reveal the secret of the Manhattan elite. We do not just cut hair, we remove weight to create shadows and highlights within the shape itself. Without these shadows, your hair looks like a flat piece of plastic. Mark my words, your mirror is lying to you. It is telling you that you look old because of your skin, but I am telling you it is the stagnant shape of your hair that is doing the damage. We must break the rigid perimeter to find the elegance hidden underneath. Now, listen to the silence of your own style. If it is not telling a story of sophistication and lift, then it is a story of decline. We are going to change that narrative right now by understanding the physics of a visual lift. Your face deserves a frame that celebrates the light, not a helmet that traps the shadows. We are going to replace that rigid structure with what I call the 5 pillars of the Manhattan lift. The first solution is the art of internal ghost layering. Now stop everything and listen to this. Traditional layers are visible and can look choppy, but ghost layers are hidden inside the hair to create a cushion of air. These invisible shorter pieces support the longer hair above it, giving you the volume you crave without thinning out your ends. It is an architectural secret that keeps the shape from collapsing into a flat cap. Wait, what I am about to say will change your morning routine forever. By removing weight from the inside, your hair will finally have the freedom to move when you walk. It will no longer sit like a heavy stone on your shoulders. The second master solution is the cheekbone diagonal. Most stylists cut your hair straight across the face, which creates a horizontal shelf that emphasizes a sagging jawline. Now stop everything and listen to this. We want the hair to follow a diagonal line that starts at the bridge of the nose and sweeps back toward the ear. This visual upward stroke acts like a highlighter for your face, drawing the eye away from the chin and up toward your eyes. It is the quickest way to look refreshed without a single injection. Wait, what I am about to say will change your morning routine forever. You must insist that your stylist uses a slide cutting technique to blend these pieces into the rest of the length. If the hair is cut too bluntly around the face, it creates a box. The third solution is the total elimination of the blunt perimeter. That sharp, hard line at the bottom of your hair is the primary reason it looks like a helmet. Now stop everything and listen to this. Your stylist must use deep point cutting to create a shattered edge that mimics the natural softness of your skin. A soft edge allows the hair to melt into your neck and shoulders, making the transitions seamless and elegant. It takes the aggression out of the haircut and replaces it with a feminine grace. Wait, what I am about to say will change your morning routine forever. If the ends of your hair are too perfect, they look artificial and dated. We want your hair to look like it belongs to a living, breathing woman, not a mannequin in a store window. The fourth pillar of our transformation is the vertical crown lift. Most women try to get height by teasing the hair, which only creates a messy knot. Now stop everything and listen to this. True volume comes from short vertical layers at the back of the head. These layers act as a foundation, pushing the rest of the hair upward and creating a beautiful profile. It gives you that regal, sophisticated height that says you are a woman of authority and style. Wait, what I am about to say will change your morning routine forever. When you have height at the crown, it creates a vertical line that makes your entire neck look longer and more slender. It is the difference between looking compressed and looking statuesque. The fifth and final solution is the forward tilt. If your hair is longer in the back than the front, it is pulling your entire energy backward and downward. Now, stop everything and listen to this. By making the hair slightly shorter at the nape and allowing it to travel forward toward the chin, we create momentum. This forward movement frames your face in a way that suggests energy and youthfulness. It is a bold, modern look that breaks the cycle of the round, stagnant helmet once and for all. Wait, what I am about to say will change your morning routine forever. This angle is not just for young women, it is the secret weapon for the woman over 60 who wants to remain relevant and chic. You must understand that these 5 pillars are not suggestions. They are the laws of visual harmony for the mature face. Now, stop everything and listen to this. When you walk into your next appointment, you must speak the language of professional geometry. Do not just ask for a trim, because a trim will only give you a shorter version of the helmet you already hate. You must ask for weight removal and internal structure. Wait, what I am about to say will change your morning routine forever. Most stylists are afraid to cut your hair because they think you are fragile, but your hair needs a strong hand and a clear vision. You are not asking for a trend, you are asking for a correction. You are asking for the light to hit your face in the right places. Now stop everything and listen to this. If your stylist says they cannot do this, it is time to find a professional who understands the physics of aging. Do not settle for a basic service when you deserve a masterwork. Your hair is the only accessory you never take off, so it must be perfect. Wait, what I am about to say will change your morning routine forever. I want you to imagine waking up and only needing 30 seconds to style your hair because the cut is doing all the work for you. That is the power of a Manhattan lift. It is about working with your natural texture, not fighting against it. Now stop everything and listen to this. When you stop fighting your hair, you stop looking like you are trying too hard. You simply look like the best version of yourself. We are removing the mask of the helmet and revealing the elegance that was always there. Wait, what I am about to say will change your morning routine forever. The transformation starts the moment you decide that you are worth the effort of a high-quality cut. This is about more than just hair. It is about reclaiming your space in the world. You are not fading away. You are stepping into a more refined version of your beauty. Now stop everything and listen to this. Every snip of the scissors should be a step toward your liberation from the helmet. We are building a shape that is light, airy, and full of life. It is time to let your hair breathe and let your confidence shine through. Wait, what I am about to say will change your morning routine forever. You are about to become the woman that other people stare at in the street, wondering what your secret is. And the secret is that you finally stopped wearing a helmet and started wearing a style. You have stayed with me until the very end because you are a woman of substance, and you understand that your image is your signature. You are not just looking for a haircut, you are looking for a return to your true self. Now stop everything and listen to this. I promised you a bonus tip that will keep your Manhattan lift looking fresh for weeks after you leave the salon. It is a technique called the cool shot elevation. Most women use too much heat, which flattens the hair and makes it lie stagnant against the scalp. Wait, what I am about to say will change your morning routine forever. When you reach the roots of your hair with your brush, you must use the cold air setting on your dryer for exactly 10 seconds to lock that lift in place. This simple move prevents the hair from collapsing back into that helmet shape as it cools down. It is the secret of the red carpet that no one tells you because they want you to keep buying expensive styling creams. Now stop everything and listen to this. I want you to share this video with one friend who is still struggling with her reflection because we are on a mission to change how the world sees women over 60. We are the architects of our own elegance, and we must support one another in this journey. Wait, what I am about to say will change your morning routine forever. Go to the comments and type the word freedom if you are ready to leave the helmet behind for good. I read every single message because your voice is the most important part of this community. Now stop everything and listen to this. Your journey toward total transformation does not end with a pair of scissors. Next week, I am going to reveal a truth that is even more shocking than your haircut. There is a hidden color trap that is making your hair look like a flat piece of plastic regardless of how good the cut is. Wait, what I am about to say will change your morning routine forever. If you have noticed your skin looking gray or tired, it might not be your health, but the shadow your hair color is casting on your face. I will see you then.